Hi there, this is Manfrotto from TechWiser and your much awaited Productivity Tuesday is back. So this Tuesday, let's talk about the project collaboration tool Trello. Consider it as a digital version of sticky notes that you arrange on a whiteboard, but unlike physical notes, they are searchable, shareable and come with reminders. Make sense? Well, let's take an example to understand it. Say I'm a YouTuber and I come up with an idea. So all I have to do is roll up the camera and start speaking about it. After a bit of video editing, the video is up. Easy, right? But once the channel starts growing, you need a team. And as they say, managing a team is not easy. Now to make this process efficient, you can use a project management tool such as Trello. So here is how my Trello looks like. For my YouTube videos, I create projects known as board. Each board contains blank spaces called list. Each list belongs to a writer, cinematographer or an editor. I then add a post-it note called cards, which you can move around in different lists. This way everyone knows the project pipeline and the work remaining. And as you have guessed it, we use Trello for both our YouTube videos and website. Though that doesn't mean that you can only use Trello for a team or YouTubers. Trello could be used by anyone, say a manager, freelancer or even a student. So let's see how you can use Trello to boost your productivity. Let's begin. The first time you open up the app, you will see a blank slate. So I will create a new board and call it YouTube. Under this, I will add the list such as ideas, script, shoot, edit and publish. If you have a team member, you can also add their names in the list title. For instance, I take care of the list. Rohit helps with the shoot and Nitish does the editing. In the idea tab, everyone can pitch the video topics. The ones that are interesting goes to script list. Once I write the script, the card goes to shoot and then edit and finally publish. And we do this for all our YouTube videos. This way everyone in the team can keep a track of which part of the video they are working on. You can also use Trello for individual project, say for an upcoming exam. Speaking of exams, it makes sense to get your timetable right. To begin with, I will add all the subjects or topics in this month list. Next, I make the list for today and tomorrow timetable. Finally, I make a revision list. So in working, I will add all the subjects or the topics in this week or the month. And depending on the mood and priority, I will move them to today or tomorrow. And once I'm done, I can either move them to revision or archive it, which is deleting it. Now here's the cool thing with Trello. You can add comments to the card. So say if you don't have some notes with you and you're preparing for a topic, you can add a comment or even set up a new reminder. On the surface, Trello looks simple, but it can get a lot powerful than this. For example, you can create a color label, tags, attachment, and schedule a deadline. All this to an individual card. Let's check it out. Imagine if you're a freelancer, you can create multiple Trello boards for your ongoing projects. You can also easily add checklists to an individual card to track your progress, or set up a deadline to each task. You can also add a reminder to raise the invoice. And that's not all. My favorite feature of Trello is how efficiently it integrates with third-party applications such as Zapier or Slack. For instance, there are times when two writers ended up working on a same article. So thankfully, you can integrate Trello with Slackbot. It's another productivity tool which we'll cover later on. But for now, it keeps a track of which card was moved and in which list. Personally, it has been a lifesaver for me. Overall, Trello works great for our team, though do remember, it does take some time and experimentation to get used to the layout. Ultimately, it's a tool with all the bells and whistles, and it all depends on how you customize it. That being said, let me know which productivity tool would you like me to cover in the next one. Like always, it's Manal signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.